What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got another delivery today. Another delivery, and actually it's really super nice sunny day, and got the car here out at the shop today. Did a little work on it, but yeah, we got another build getting dropped off as we speak, so let's go meet it. All right, guys, so here's the deal. We've got another car being dropped off. Ray, welcome to the shop, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Are you excited?
Yes.
We didn't film it. We just took Ray for a ride in my car. It was fun. So Ray, what are we doing to your car?
Foxbody with Coyote swap, tore it down. Gonna do the Whipple K-member.
Nice. So we are doing a supercharger and everything.
Yeah, I'm going supercharger.
Okay.
Mode.
Wow. So Coyote supercharger is gonna be stick shift, or are we gonna do an automatic?
6-speed.
Six speed.
The monster kit, Jeremy. What are we talking about? Magnum. The Magnum.
T56 Magnum. Okay. So yeah. So you're wanting something fun then?
Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm wanting something fun. You know, cruise around.
Yeah.
Just had the car 15 years.
Man.
Time to pay it. You know, do something
Yeah.
with it.
And it's reef blue too, my favorite color of all time. So yeah, this is gonna be a fun one. All right, boys, so let's talk real quick about Ray's notch. This thing, clearly reef blue 93, that's a 1 year only color, and my favorite Fox body color of all time. Yes, boys, I did have a hatch, reef blue opal gray hatch. Sadly, I had to let it go, but here's the deal. He's got the Celine front splitter on it. It's got some aftermarket lights. Did the 5-lug conversion. Does have, y'all, 315s in the back. I don't know if you can see it right there. You got 315 35s, and actually, y'all, it just barely, but it's in there. So yeah, guys, this thing, engine bay is clean as it can be, and first thing we're gonna do is get everything stripped out of here. We'll talk about that in a minute though. But super clean, super straight car. Let's check out the interior. All right, boys, so let's see what we're working with here. Clearly an original V8 car. And if you guys did not know, opal gray is the 93 only gray. Before that was titanium, then smoke before that. But so this is opal gray. I mean, it's been sitting a while. I don't know how many miles are on this bad boy. It's like 12,459, so it looks like 112,000 miles on it, which is pretty low, pretty freaking low. But yeah, it's front and rear tweed back seats, so OE V8 car. And guys, it has been sitting a while. It's got a little moisture damage, but gonna take care of all of that. And it's gonna have the Dakota digital cluster, and Ray has already said he wants us to get rid of the giant monster tack off the dash, so don't give him a hard time for that. But yeah, guys, super clean. And I am going to show you I showed you before how to delete these map pockets. I'm going to show you next time how to make them tight again, make them look new. But let's walk around the passenger side here and check this thing out. I'm all tore up, guys. It's reef blue, you know. It's my favorite color. And a notch. Yeah, guys, I mean, overall, this thing's in great shape. And it needs a little cleaning. I know the seats look a little rough, but I believe he's going to swap those out anyway for some Corbos or something like that. But really nice little car. Quarter windows, you know, they got a little bit on them, but overall, I mean, they're in pretty great shape. Very nice car. All right, boys. So if you're new to the channel, where do we start? You know, obviously a customer just dropped this vehicle off and wants a Coyote swap, a supercharger, a Whipple supercharger. T56 Magnum transmission, all that. Where do you start on this? Well, this is where we start. And we did this on Lee's convertible and all the other ones. Basically, everything under this hood comes out. All of it. All the wiring, the brake booster, the AC lines, the dryer. Clearly all the wiring, airbag, harnesses, all that. Get all this out, and then this car is going directly over to Nick, and Nick is going to do the shaved engine bay. And if you don't know what the shaved engine bay is, it's going to come back looking like this. Basically fill all the holes and all that. And then, of course, you got Jeremy's over here. When I talk about shaving the bay, that's what that means. So, essentially, he's going to fill all the holes in, put the Scott Rod panels in here, and the car is going to come back to us, and the bay will be ready to roll. And then at that point, we'll put the K-member in, engine and trans, start wiring, and so on and so forth. So this is going to be, I think, number 13. I'll have to double check, but I believe this is going to be number 13. So pretty much down to a science. All right, boys. So there you go. That's the new vehicle being dropped off. Gonna get built here. And if you caught the upload a while back, we got Lee's car in here. I did a live stream video. We actually got some progress done on this car. Essentially pulled the transmission out. It's going to be built, and of course, got the headers and exhaust, all that out of the way. Drive shaft is out, and so it's pretty much just sitting here waiting for the Gen 5 Whipple and the transmission to be rebuilt. And then the fuel system, we've got the tank out, so the fuel system work will begin. So this is Lee's notch. It's getting a Whipple put on top of it. And then, of course, we got Raymond's Reef Blue car, which is getting the Coyote and the Whipple and the T56 Magnum. And shave bay, and this one's going to be a long one, too. This is going to be a long build, just like the other one, because he's basically getting everything. All right, boys, so that is pretty much the update. We're wrapping up the heads cam intake car. The brakes were kind of soft, so we're going to do some work on the brakes. Get them bled back, and we looked under the suspension, in the rear. It felt a little wavy back there, and it just seemed like the stock bushings were kind of wore out and dry rotted. They're all original. Of course, the tires are too. So yeah, this car I'm sure will be back for more builds soon, but as of right now, it's a great running little car, brand new lease on life, no more smoke, and probably making around 300 horsepower to the tires. So definitely a fun little cruiser right here. Sounds great too. That's the TFS Stage 1 cam. Hits really nice. Alright, boys, you heard us talking about the brakes being kind of bad, or feeling bad. So, let's see if I can zoom in there. I don't know if how well you guys can see that. But yeah, we pulled the boost, the master cylinder back. There you go. That's why the brakes felt bad. So yeah, just when you think you've spent all that money and the car's done, you got to do that. And just to add insult to injury, you look way down there at the drain hole. We noticed a little steam when we brought it in. You can see it was hitting the exhaust down there. His heater core started leaking. So yeah, after all this, guys, this is how project cars go. This is just it. It's how project cars go. And especially in a car you've had sitting for a long time. just be prepared, guys. I said it once, I said it again. Just because you got a budget and this is all you're gonna spend, nah, doesn't usually work that way. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this upload. I hope you're as excited as I am about these 2 notchbacks that just got dropped off. 2 brand new builds that you're gonna get to see right here on the channel. Start to finish, just like the other ones. And then, of course, we got trucks and we got other Mustangs and racing and shows and events and stuff. So I promise you no end of variety here, no end of sick builds. And drop me a comment below any other builds you guys want to see. I mean, who knows? You never know. You know, we get emails and calls daily, people wanting to do all kinds of crazy stuff, so you never know what might end up on the channel. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. That way you can keep up with all these builds. Later, guys.